Keep getting error code 6 while launching Roblox on your computer? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 6 so you can get back into the game. Let's start. Solution 1. First, clear the old DNS server cache from your computer. To do this, open up command prompt. If you can't find it, just type cmd in the search bar here. Then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to give permission. Now type ipconfig, then space, then /flushdns. Don't worry, you can copy the command from the video description below. Now hit enter. Here you can see it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now just close this window and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, reset your network settings. To do this, open up Settings, then click on Network and Internet, and then on Advanced Network Settings. Next, click on Network Reset, then click on Reset Now and then on Yes. Now just restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If this doesn't work for you either, a simple reinstallation should fix the error. First, uninstall Roblox. To do this, open Settings, then click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Then on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it will start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Wait for it to finish and you should be able to open it without this error. So that's how you fix Roblox error code 6 on your computer. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll reply to you soon. Thanks for watching.